So in the question, what they have given here is, but in the question, what they have given here, to find the square of it, right? See the question, they have given us show that the square of any positive integer is either form of 3m or 3m plus 1. This is not a squaring. Now we have to square it here. So squaring both sides. Okay, what you get is try to understand here. A square again 3q plus 1 square. Okay, again a square and 3q plus 2 square. So we can write here a square is equals to 9q square. Here we can write a square is equals to 9q square plus 1 plus 3 to the 6. 6q. Again we can write here a square is equals to a square is equals to 9q square plus 4 plus 9 3 to the 6 to the 12q. This is clear, children, to everyone what I just written over here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next step is we have to bring in 3m or 3m plus 1 form. Everything should be in this form only. So we can write here again as 3 into 3q square. We can write for this or not? We can write like this. Again, 3m plus 1 we have to bring the try to bring this plus 1 outside, and we can write it here 9q square plus 6q. This is clear, children, what I've written here. Then you can take 3 common. So 3q square plus 2 and 2q plus 1. Again for this one you can write it as plus 1 you should bring outside. Then you can write here 9q square plus 3 plus 12q. This much is clear or not, children? Tell me.
That's clear, sir.
3 3s are 9q plus 1. So see, we have to bring in which form? 3q plus 1 or 3m form, right? So this is nothing but we can write m. This we can write m, and this whole thing is write m. M is nothing but any integer. Okay. So instead of this whole part, you can write m. So we can write 3m. Here we can write 3m plus 1. Here we can write 3m plus 1. So any positive integer, if you're doing the square of it, we are getting the form as 3m or 3m plus 1. Okay. We are getting 3m. Okay. We are getting 3m or 3m plus 1. Yeah, Ramalu, you are having doubt? Anyone is having doubt? Anyone is having doubt in this?
Yes, sir, I do.
Yeah, tell me. Just go step by step. I'm writing the steps over here. If you're having doubt, you just ask first step, second step, third step, fourth step, and fifth step. You tell me the doubts. Which step you are having doubt? First, second, third, fourth, or fifth? Which steps you people are? Third steps. Which this part you are having doubt?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Once again, I'm telling you. Okay. See, means you are having doubt why we are just doing a square here. You understood this part? Why you are doing a square here? Ramalu, you understood? See, they have given the question only show that the square of positive integer. So we are squaring both sides. This, children, you remove this one. I want this you just pink one. Please remove. Don't write anything. Who is doing this?
Who is Ramlu? Sir,
please
just a
remove.
minute.
Now see, again I'm explaining this. I should stop this one, right? 1 minute. All right. So see here, they have given here show that the square of any positive integer. So we have to squaring both sides. Then you get a square is equals to 9q square. Till here you understood?
Yes.
Then this 9q square can be written as 3 into 3q square. Why it is written in 3 into 3q square? Because we have to bring in which form? 3m form. So 3 is already come outside. So what is coming inside this bracket? That is nothing but m. That is nothing but what? M. It's clear? That is nothing but m. It's clear or not?
Yes, sir. It is clear.
Now see fourth line. Fourth line, a square is equals to, you are squaring both sides. What do you get? A square is equals to 9q square plus 1 plus 6q. So we have to bring in 3m plus 1 form. So take it out. This one you take it outside here. And you write here 9q square plus 6q. Again, this whole part can be written as 3 into 3q square plus 2q plus 1. So this is nothing but 3m plus 1 form. Hope you understood now, right? Because we have to bring in 3m and 3m plus 1 form. Is it clear? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Anyone still having doubt here? Any one of you still having doubt?
No doubt.
No, sir.
No, sir.
All people are intelligent, so intelligent here, huh? No doubt. This will, people will not understand this concept actually. Mainly I have not understood before when I was learning this in one time. This one is, bit complicated looks. Now see, if you understood, who will do question number 5th? Then I can just say you people understood.
So someone messaged in the group that they are not able to join the link.
Someone has messaged in the group. Okay. So your group. Someone has messaged, they are not joined.
That is Teja.
Who is that? Teja, someone Teji. The Sool is there, I don't know. Above is there. Okay, let's share once again and let him join if he wants. So, the 5th one, who can do 5th question? Use Euclid's lemma. What is b over here? Tell me, children. What is b over here? First, you write here, let a be any positive integer. Okay, this is common. Let a be any positive integer. So what we can write for b? B is equals to what? Tell me, children, fast.
3, 3, sir.
9. If you write 9, it's become complicated. See, if you write 9, you should write here 0 to 9. Okay, then your r should be equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 till you should go till 8. So if you write here b is equals to 9, r is equals to 1, r is equal to 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5. Keep on doing till 9. And you have to do what? Cube also. Remember, children, here. You have to do cube. So how much time this will take, This will take around 20 minutes time, 20 to 25 minutes to do this. So don't go for 9, okay? You can do this one also. This is 100% correct, no problem at all. But this will take long time in exam,
Sir,
okay?
Right.
What?
We can take it as 3.
Yes, because cube you do know. If you do the cube, 9 will come automatically by itself. If you take 3 here, b is equal to 3, then 9 will come automatically if you do the cube part of it, okay? So take it as 3 itself. What you are getting here, if you take 3, it's become very easy. If you take 3, it's become easier. Who's there? Okay. Now see, take here 9 is equals to this. You take b is equal to 3, and r is between 0 and 3. So r is equals to, you can write 0, 1, and 2. So here b is equal to 3 and r is equals to 0. R is equals to 1. R is equals to 2. Okay. There is 3 steps. So when r is equals to 0, when r is equals to 1, when r is equals to 0. Now put the value of b and r in which part? A is equal to bq plus r. So what we can write for this? A is equals to 3q plus 0. It means 3q. Just write simply 3q. Then you can write a is equals to 3q plus 1. Then you write a is equal to 3q plus 2. Now we have to do a square of it. Sorry, cube of it. Cube. Again you do cube, again you do cube. This is the next step. I'm just skipping the step, children. Just try to understand this. After writing this, cube you should find. So what is cube? 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, cube. Second one, what you can write for second one? A plus B whole cube. Can you tell me the formula? Any one of you? Tell me the formula. A plus B whole cube.
Sir,
Someone?
a cube plus
Some-
b cube
Okay.
plus 3a square b plus 3ab square.
Okay, those who doesn't know, just write the formula here. I'm writing on the top. A plus B whole cube. You can write here A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. Okay. Or if you multiply this A plus 3AB inside, you will get A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square. Okay. Is it clear? So A plus B whole cube is A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. Or you can write here, after multiplying this 3AB inside, you will get A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square. Is it clear, children? So all of you do this part. 3 cube plus 1 whole cube. You'll get here A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. Don't write 3AB here. Directly you can write 3A square B. 3A square B, that is 1. Then plus 3AB square. So what we can write here again? 9 cube plus 1 plus 3 3s are 9, 2 9 3s are 27 q square plus 3 3s are 9 cube. And last one, what do you get? You can get here 3q whole cube. It's better with just for some other pen.
So in the previous step, it would be 27 cube.
This one you are saying? Which step you are talking about?
No, where r is equal to 1.
Yeah, exactly. Sorry for this. This is 27, yes. Again, this one is 3q whole cube, A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3A B square. So we can write it as 27q to the power 3 plus 8 plus 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 54q square plus 4 3s are 26, 4 3s are 12, 3s are 36 cube. Okay. So now we have to bring in 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. Now what we can write, just try to do this here. So here we can write it as 9 we should bring is 9 you write here. Then we can write 9 3s are 27 u to the power 3. Again we can write here, we should bring 9m plus 1. The plus m you just take it out and all you write in bracket, that is 27 q to the power 3 plus 1 you can write here plus 1. 1 minute. So we write here plus 1 outside. Then you can write here 27q cube plus 27q square plus 9q. Okay. So 9m plus 1, so we can take 9 common from this. So we'll get here 9 3s are 27 plus 9 3s are 27 again plus q is 9q only, no? This 9q square, right? No, 9q only, yes. Q plus 1 plus 1. So see, we can write this whole thing as m, this whole part as m, okay? So ultimately what we can write for this 9m, this we can write for 9m plus 1, and last one can we write 9m plus 8, just check. Last one can we write 9m plus 8. The plus 8 is coming already here, take it out here, 9m plus 8, 27q to the power 3 plus 57q to the power 2 plus 36q. Take 9 common, 9 3s are 27 plus 9 6s are 54, 9 4s are 36 plus 8. So this whole part is nothing but m. So we can write it as what? 9m plus 8. Children, anyone having doubt in this part, just let me know. 100% this type question will come in 4 marks or 3 marks. So, and this is the
Sir,
hardest
in
part.
this last step, sir.
Yeah, tell.
This last step.
9m plus 8 you are saying?
Yes, sir.
See, now this whole part we are taking it as m. This whole part, what is coming in this this green one, this whole part is any integer, that is m. So we can write 9m plus 8 or not.
Yes, sir. Yes.
That's it. How you are doing before step, that only is there. So anyone who is having doubt in this,
Sir, then M is different, no, sir?
yes.
M should be same, no, sir?
No, it's not. See, m is any integer form. They are saying no. See, children, in question they have given here m is what? Is form of 9m. M may be any integer. It's not same. 9 3q square. It's not same everywhere. M can be any integer. It's not same. M can be any integer. It should not be same everywhere and all. This you are not putting the value of m like that. M 9m means m can be anything. It may be 1, it may be 5, it may be 50, whatever it is. Okay. This should,
It's
the
a
form.
variable.
Yeah, this should be in the form of 9m, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. What you're saying? Something doubt? So these were the actually hardest sum of the exercise. Okay. If people can do the more sums, but same concept will apply everywhere to find the question like this, Euclid's division lemma. Okay. So anyone having doubt till here? Then the next
No, sir.
class we can start fundamental theory of arithmetic. Okay. In the next class we'll start fundamental theory of arithmetic. Shall we close the meeting till here today?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, children.
Yes.
Thank you
Yes,
for
sir.
joining. You can leave the meeting, all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.